everyone, have you seen Sonic where he is? So, since we have to save Sonic since he's since we have to save him from Eggman before he gets us. Oh, my stomach is growling. Nothing more is embarrassing than a growling tummy. Since we were reviewing the Master Emeralds before. Oops, my iPad just fell. There we go. Now, this is the Master Emerald tails. Well, guys, I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Oh, my Sonic is so aggressive. Well, that's the end of this video. Bye-bye.